Hello guys, so this is my Bolt Hackathon project. It's called TravelSync. It's for group-based traveling. So I'll just quickly show the demo. So first of all, let's sign in. So from one of the devices, I'm going to be creating a trip. Let's just name this test. So now I've successfully created a trip, and using this I'm going to be joining via this device. So let's just enter the trip code, which is so yeah, now you can see there are two of us over here, and you can check the map where I am. So you can share the locations, live location of each other, and similarly on this device you can see where John is. So now what we can do is we can set a common destination. So let's say I want to go somewhere, let's say, so here it is, and we'll just set the destination. So as you can see, when I set the destination in one of the devices, even this device gets that destination, and then we can enable the route to that destination, as you can see in both the devices. And even we can start navigation from let's say to wherever we want to go. So we can say start and just minimize it. So
Navigation started. Head south
yeah,
towards
so this
Bandarpatti
is how
Road.
the navigation works. It works on all the devices. Along with this, you can add first your waypoints, like if you want to stop for somewhere. So what you can check out is, let's say I want to stop somewhere. So what I can do is I can just add a waypoint. It gets added to both of the devices, and over here you can see that the waypoint was added by one of the members, and here you can see who proposed it, by where it is, and yes, and the stop is automatically removed when you are within 100 meters of the stop. So yeah, along with this we have an option to chat among ourselves. So basically we can give trip updates. Let's say I say hello, so you can check over here that you can see that John says hello, and you can say hi. So yeah, this is how it works basically. And once you are at the location, you can leave your trip. So yeah, this is about it.